Welcome to a quick walkthrough of Quadify Base. We're starting with this high-poly burger model. As you can see, the wireframe is dense and made entirely of triangles, which is a nightmare for editing. This tool is designed to clean up geometry and reduce poly count while maintaining a clean quad-based layout. First, let's do a basic cleanup. By clicking Convert to Quads, the tool merges those triangles into cleaner four-sided polygons. You can adjust the angle limit if your model has sharp edges. If your model has broken geometry, like edges shared by too many faces, simply adjust the non-manifold tolerance. This helps the script bridge gaps and fix errors automatically. Now for the heavy lifting. Look at the poly reduction section. It shows your initial face count and calculates your target in real time. We're going to aim for a 50% reduction. Hit Reduce Poly Count. If your model is complex, Blender might take a moment to calculate the new geometry. This is normal. The script is decimating the mesh and re-quadifying it simultaneously. There we go. The model is now 50% lighter, but the quad flow is still preserved. This makes it perfect for game engines or mobile projects where performance is key. Finally, use the Clean Degenerate option if you see any overlapping vertices. And that's it. From a messy triangle mesh to a clean, optimized quad model in just a few clicks.